What it be, man? Yo, Justin, bro, I'm live broadcasting this, bro. Not all these wins, bro. Lord have mercy. I mean, people say climate change is not a thing. Yo, Alaska last year in January, we had snow. We didn't have rain and wind together. Yo, I mean, at this point, New Orleans and Jacksonville, they have more snow than us. They're supposed to take this. They're supposed to take the wind and rain. We swapped. Yo, someone take their wind and rain back. Anywho, it's called Glen Warning, okay, and it affects the whole Cook Inlet Peninsula. Kid you not, it what's it called? I'm gonna try my best to pronounce these. It affects Castatan, Californian Sky, Coho, Kenai, of course, Hope, Sunrays, Portage, of course, Anchorage, Point Mackenzie, Knik, Fairview, Alexander Creek, Beluga, and Talonique, and they're going to be around. Shoot, hold on, bro. I think there's more. Is this whole week? This whole week, we're going to be feeling the wind and the rain. These schools better either cancel, go on Zoom, or do something. Of course, the universities have a different approach because I don't know. I mean, especially me, I'm a full time student. Monday through Friday, okay, evening through night. Kid you not, I have one class on back of another class from 4 to 5:15. My next class is 5:30 to 9. Okay, kid you not. My 4 p.m. o'clock class is on the other campus, and then from 5:30 to 9, that class I need to book it. Kid you not. Yeah, look, I ain't got no car. Okay? Yeah. I mean, I'm just a broke college student. I mean, finally I could say that. Also, don't mind this, bro. I was drawing and I didn't even notice what's it called? I had gotten marker on me, but now, it kind of looks like a yeah, uh, around 25 kT. 25. You want to know how? I mean, of course, if you're driving a small car, just bus. Matter of fact, just stay home, cause after looking at all of these, 50 miles, 50-mile wind, 25 to 30-mile wind, and this is an estimate. It's a guesstimate. Okay, my guesstimate is either the university closes for the whole week, um, and we go on Zoom. We make up work. Of course, sadly, for my other class, for my night classes, I would have to make up a whole week worth of assignments in automotive. Kid you not, kid you not. Also, they're saying that the what's it called? So for all my Anchorage folks, is saying the point warns off. Don't go. Okay, Lord have mercy. Why was that so hard to come out? Because they're saying that the ocean is rising up and down drastically, and if you go, there's a potential danger you won't survive or make it out. So they're probably going to temporarily close off a couple lanes on the Ted Stevens International Airport. What is else? Lord have mercy. I'm trying to get this video out, and I already said I won't make no more vlogs. but this is just important. And it is, even if I'm done with this video, it's probably gonna take a long time to edit. I mean, I'm already at almost 5 minutes. So I mean, we could speed run this or something. There's more and more after more information and updates coming out of the news station. They're working overtime. Kid you not. If there's any more news, I'll catch you guys right up. Stay safe, be real, and quite frankly, thank you for watching. Peace.